make a presentation of our Overland trailer that we did ourselves. First I'm going to open the kitchen side, which is this side. As you can see, it's quite easy to open, and now we have a little extra table here, and we have a cooker over here, so we can just put everything here, and we have an awning that we can put over here, so that we can be in a dry environment. This is the front end of the trailer, where we have some shovels, some recovery tracks, and a high lift. And then in here we can open as well. And in here our gas bottle, some barbecue equipment here, Karak Adventure to Go grill, and extra fuel canister for when we have to go really off-grid. The other side is storage for clothes and equipment and everything. Here we have a solar panel, and we have a little power bank that we can charge with the solar panel. We have a shower tent. We have a box for all the utilities, for electrical and recovery. We have some boxes up here that is not even used. And normally this refrigerator is in the trunk of the car, and then we have each 2 boxes for clothes that will be here, and here we have a box with all the swimming equipment and our shower and whatever we need, and this is the toolbox. The back end of the trailer can also be opened down here, and here we have chairs that we can take up and put up, and down here we have a table to take up, so it's stored pretty good when we are driving. It's easy to take out. Over here we have our water tank, and here we have a handle for the legs down here, so we can put them down when we open the top tent, so the trailer don't tip if we unhook the car. The trailer is built on a standard chassis from Branderup, and I did not do any modification to the trailer at all. It's just like it rolled out from the factory. So packed away, you have a very compact small trailer that follows the car perfectly. It's 2.20 meters high, which is a little bit too much. I would like to take 20 centimeters off, but now I built it this high to have the headroom when we are working in the kitchen.